Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Xerox, and today, we're going to create this trending viral, mind-blowing illusion images, like this, using AI tools. But before we dive in, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our AI tools adventures. Alright, let's get started. First, go to this website to remove background of your photo. www.remove.bg. Then, simply upload your photo and click download. After that, go to Canva, and there, we will be editing our photo with the specific filter settings. Just follow what I'm doing. And once done, download the image, and that takes us to the last part. Go to this website, huggingface.co, and import your photo. Then set illusion strength to 1.09 and click Run. Wait for it to finish. If error messages like this comes up, just click Run again. Here is the result. Squint your eyes to see the illusion clearly. Amazing! You can download it from here and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in once again. Stay inspired, stay creative, and until next time, happy creating!